Alright, here's a tutorial on how to change these LED side markers from this to this. So to get access to the rear side marker, there's a T15 Torx screw in there, so you need a T15 bit. Alright, so once we unscrew it, I'm just gonna pull the headlights straight out nice and gentle, and we will see the connector for the side marker right inside there. To access the reflector, I'm going in from the headlight and then just pushing on the pin in the rear and pulling on the pin closest to me. Then we can gently disconnect the harness from the actual reflector. Next, we're going to remove this from the reflector by twisting and pulling. Then we can remove the bulb, and we'll just pop that bulb out. It's time for the new one to go in. So because the new side marker is LEDs, not a bulb, it has this connector that we could just slide into where the bulb originally came from, just like that. So the connections on this cheaply made LED side marker are pretty loose, so some electrical tape on there will prevent the connection from getting too loose or disconnected while driving. Alright, so to make sure it's working, we'll just connect it really quickly and then hit the unlock button on the key fob, and there we go. Here inside of the wheel arch, I have push pins, but some people have hex bolts, so I'll be using pry tools, but you may need a 7mm ratchet for this as well. And then I can just reach under and around, and then reach the side marker from either under the car or from through the wheel arch right here. You'll have to move this out a little bit more. And then we have a very similar situation up here in the front. We have two clamps essentially, and then this mirrors what's inside the side marker. So we'll reach under the car, pull this one, push that one, and then just pop that side marker out. My front side markers were really tough. These pins did not want to budge, and I ended up breaking both of them, as you can see. So either way, this is a non-reversible operation here. Alright, and just like with the rears, we're going to slide this bulb housing off, remove this bulb out of here, and we'll slide the new connector from the new side marker right in there. Alright, we plugged them in, they work, and time to stick them back in there. Alright, now that the fronts are working and the rears are in, all we have to do is put the headlight back in and redo the process.